Judges selected your first right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Your third right quarter turn. Relax. Again, right quarter turn. Your final right quarter turn. Thank you, athletes. Your first right quarter turn. Relax. Again, right quarter turn. Relax. Again, right quarter turn. Relax. Again, right quarter turn. Your final right quarter turn. Relax. Thank you. 186 come forward. 187 come forward. 190. 188. 190. 195. 196. 197. 198. 200. 201. 203. Thank you, athletes. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. Better luck next time. அனைவரும் ஒரு பலத்த கரவலை பாராட்டலாம் வணங்கி வெளியே கொடுத்துட்டு போயிருக்கிறோம். அவங்கள அப்படியே முன்னாடி வர சொல்லுங்க. Just select 5. Ready. Your first right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Relax. 196. 197, 201. This is comparison. Judges select 2. Your first right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Relax. Again, right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Straight up. Relax. Please. Final pose though.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain,
Thank you, athletes.
Please go back. Please go back.
187, 196, 197, 202, and 203. These are the 5 finalists. Remaining athletes, better luck next time. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. அனைவரும் அவர்களது பலத்த கரவொலிகளை பாராட்டுகளாக வழங்கி ஒளியினமான போடு கேட்டுக்கொள்கின்றோம். Your first right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Again, your final right quarter turn. Relax, athlete. Relax. Thank you. The 5th place in this category goes to truck number 187, Varadaraj from Thuthukudi district. Thank you. The 4th place in this category goes to truck number 196, Naveen from Chengalpattu district. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bronze medal in this category goes to truck number 197, Ashok from Chengalpattu district. Bronze medal, merit certificate, 2000 rupees cash award and bodybuilder statue. 2000 ரூபாய் பணமளிப்புகள். Thank you. The silver medal goes to truck number 202, Tiagu from Chengalpattu district. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Gold medal goes to truck number 203, R. Harish Raj from Salem district. Gold medal, merit certificate and 5000 rupees cash award. 5000 ரூபாய் பணமளிப்புகள்.